In this tutorial video show how to configure vibration sensor with D9 unit. Open setup. Type password. Go to edit zones. Open edit RF detector. Select your serial number. Add device. When we do a vibrate, the code will be a generate. Repeat the same thing. Select the zone. Let us test the system. At the same time, main unit will give notification by SMS and call.
Come on! Give you family a 24/7 protection with D3D Security Systems. For free advice or quotation, please contact our sales team or visit d3dsecurity.com.